Hello everyone, let's practice some read aloud exercises. Imagine all. Okay. Imagine living all your life as the only family on your street. Then one morning you open the front door and discover houses all around you. You see neighbors tending their gardens and children walking to school. Where did all the people come from? What if the answer turned out to be that they had always been there, you just hadn't seen them? Let's see. Imagine living all your actually easy. Imagine living all easy in APEUNI means hard. Not all paragraphs that they are mentioning easy. It is easy, but it is good score at the end. Let's try another one. Traditional divisions of domestic works were understood to persist because of the strong association of the home with femininity, and paid work with masculinity. To challenge who does what in the home in is arguably what is this? Argue arguably what? Oh, arguably tantamount. Okay. Traditional divisions of domestic work are understood to persist because of the strong association of the home with femininity and paid work with masculinity. To challenge who does what in the home is arguable tantamount to challenging what is it and to be a woman or a man. Here, of course, I get a little bit paused because of this arguably tantamount. Let's see what it will. Oh, I took it before. I get 75. Traditional division. Let's see what it will be now. Oops. Traditional 64. Only 64. Why? Because the pauses, I think. Yes. Because the pauses. The fluency has been affected. Because I should hear. You see here? Here three frequent pauses. These pauses are destroyed my score. Let's see the last. I think the one before maybe almost 3 weeks. Let's check it. Also was here too. Also here was two pauses, but not three. Almost the same, but here the pauses was less. The pauses were less. Challenge, yeah. Okay, let's move forward to third one. I took it before also. No, I need a new one. I need actually a new one. Not one I took it before. Shrimp farm. Let's see shrimp farm. I didn't take shrimp farm. Shrimp farmers used to hold the animals in nursery ponds for 30 to 60 days. Now they are trying to move them into grow out ponds in less than 30 days. Reduce stress of the animal and dramatically increase survivors in the grow out ponds. Many farms that abandoned nursery ponds have gone back to them and the results have been surprisingly positive. They are used old uncovered earthen Shrimps farmers used to hold animals in nursery ponds for 30 to 60 days. Now they try to move them into grow out ponds in less than 30 days. This reduces stress on the animals and dramatically increase survivors in the grow out ponds. Many farmers that abandoned nursery ponds have gone back to them and the results have been surprisingly positive. They are using the old uncovered earthen nursery ponds. Hmm. 29 seconds is too much time actually. Shrimps farmer. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. Good, but I can get better than this score 78 because here see pause here. But anyway, it is a good score at the end. Let's try the last one, but I want one that I didn't do before. I didn't do this. Long isolated from Western Europe, Russia grew up without participating in the development like the Reformation that many Russians taking pride in their unique culture find what? I will not read this one. Find value. Russia is as a result the most unusual member of the European family. If needed, it is European the question debate, particularly among Russians themselves. Long isolated from Western Europe, Russia grew up without participating in the development like the Reformation that many Russians taking pride in their unique culture and defined value. Russia is a result the most unusual member of the European family. If needed, it is European at all. The question is still open to debate, particularly among Russians themselves. Okay, here I stopped several times. Why? Because I tried to understand the paragraph, and I think this is one of the stupidest thing you can do it, that you stop to understand. This is what I have done. I stopped about 4 or 5 times, 4 or 5 pauses, but to understand the meaning, and you are not required to understand the meaning while you are read aloud. Don't try to understand the meaning, just read the word by word next to them and finish them successfully. Let's see what is long isolated from. Hmm. Long isolated. I deserve this score actually. Really, I deserve this score because I. You see how many pauses? You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some words wasn't clearly enough. This here in Reformation, Western. I didn't pronounce it very well. Russians themselves. I think yeah, I deserve this score because of I tried to understand while I was reading. This is wrong, guys. This is wrong. Don't try to understand. Just read word next to word and collect them frequently, fastly, or fast as fast you can, and that's it. Okay, thank you very much.